So we got the J&L oil catch can separator from J&L. So you know, we saw this on a page that we follow called Back Road Driver. Highly suggest you check these guys out. They are a big Ford YouTube channel. They have a lot of F-150, Mustang, and now Bronco stuff. So this one's made specifically for the Bronco they've come out with. I got the black colored luminized catch can, and this is for the 2.6 liter kit. So I'll put a video links below to reference for these. It comes with all the hardware, brackets, nuts, everything. So this will help extend the life of your motor, supposedly. So anyway, just want to kind of give you guys a preview. We'll put it on here shortly, and more to come. All right, so real quick, you can't see it on here because I already got this thing sitting on it, but whenever you mount this on this bracket, the bracket itself onto the canister, you want to make sure the logos on this bracket match the orientation as the logos on top of this canister. So you should be reading them the same. So like I said, you can't see it because I already got it on there. You put these little screws in here, tighten up, Phillips head screwdriver, and then you're ready to go ahead with install, and we'll show you real quick that as I do it. And just like that, we're done. So here's the old cord. I'll probably keep a hold of this just in case. You never know if you ever want to get rid of this thing. Might want to throw this back on and take that back off and either sell it, or if I was ever upgrade to another Bronco, which hopefully won't happen, unless it's like a Raptor or something. But yeah, this is it. You know, and as you can see here, and you can't really see it in their video, but you know, this is pretty easy access. So I can reach over here and unscrew this thing from here pretty easily. You know, when I need to empty it. So these things click on pretty good. You know, both locations, bracket right there on that mount. Now I did see where the Miser brothers, they used a F-150 kit on theirs, and they mounted theirs over here where this spot is. But they since then, J&L's come out with a kit specific to this and utilize that spot right there on the factory intake manifold that has a threaded hole in it. So it fits perfectly, no interference with the hood. So this literally took me like less than 2 or 3 minutes. So I did the filming from start to finish, and I think it was a minute and a half. So anyway, hope you guys like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this video. We got lots more to come, so please stay tuned.